Planning, time-bound execution and consolidated effort has been the hallmark of our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji's Gati Shakti Master Plan, which has resulted in unprecedented infrastructure development and changed the economic landscape of the country.
रेलवे बजट में लगभग 17 गुना की वृद्धि की गई है। तेलंगाना में बीते 9 वर्षों में इससे नई रेल लाइन बिछाने का काम हो, रेल लाइनों की डबलिंग का काम हो या फिर इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन का काम हो, रिकॉर्ड तेजी से हुआ है।
Today, our Honorable Prime Minister is laying the foundation stone for new railway manufacturing unit at Kazipet, costing rupees 520 crore. Central government, under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, has taken a decision to upgrade the POH wagon workshop to manufacturing unit at Kazipet. The new manufacturing unit will have state-of-the-art facilities to manufacture over 2,400 wagons. This unit will be spread over 160 acres and have facilities like stripping shop, body shop, wheel shop, bogie shop, CBC shop, sheet metal shop, paint shop, shower test and store ward among others. The unit has been designed to ensure faster turnover of the wagons in the shortest possible time. The wagons manufactured in the state will now spur the growth momentum of Indian economy. Unit at Kazipet will spur an ecosystem of new industrial development by promoting ancillary industries, which in turn will generate employment and give boost to the socio-economic development of Telangana.